I am a Vijay Zaritaklikar, National Sales Manager in UCAM Pvt Ltd. We are in IMTEX, and I have with me Mr. Ramesh from Deneb. I would like to ask, he is visiting our stall. Mr. Ramesh, I want to know how the UCAM products is benefiting your customers and how you got experience and what is your feedback about UCAM product.
Hi, I am Ramesh from Coimbatore, Deneb Industrial Solutions. I have more than 12 years experience of machine tool industry. We have deal with UCAM for past 6-7 years. So UCAM is one of the best product in Indian market, and also excellent support for industry, and Rotary Tables and fourth axis. So it's good support and good quality products. We are very happy and successful market going good, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And yes, we are the largest manufacturer of rotary table in India.
Yeah.
We have learnt all those things from the customer. Could you able to share some of your experience that how it has helped some customer, some story which has improved his productivity and efficiency of his machine?
Yeah, of course. Because in normal VMC and HMCs, customer cycle time and also
yes,
they need improve the productivity.
True.
But if we use UCAM rotary table, so they are getting up to 30 to 40% their same machine, their
productivity
with improve the productivities.
Yes.
So almost 40% of productivity they are directly going to get the benefit.
Yes, I agree with you, sir.
Yeah.
I've been, see, there are some new products line has come.
Yes.
And you can see the tilting table.
Yeah.
In fact, how do customer find the tilting table of ours and how does it benefit to the customer?
Yes, sir. It's our UCAM 5-axis rotary tables and all. It's very compact and very useful for installation and all. But quality and accuracy is good.
Yes. You can see the most complex product which is displayed on the fixture can be machined completely in one single setting.
Yes, sir.
With the necessary required accuracy.
Yeah.
Without changing the setup. Means one, there is a benefit in the accuracy of the component and number of setups are reduced. So the machine efficiency and increase the productivity.
Yes, sir.
Finally the output
yes.
is more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So if we use multi operations, we can reduce if we use 5-axis rotary table.
Yeah.
So we will reduce the number of operations.
True.
So it's very useful for customers.
Yeah.
So it's good one.
Yeah. Thank you very much,
Thank you
sir.
very much, sir.